India has registered more than 4,200 new cases of COVID in the last 24 hours. More than 6,000 people have also recovered from COVID during the same period. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will reach Maldives today as part of his 3-day visit to archipelago nation. He is scheduled to hold bilateral talks with his Maldivian counterpart to review the entire gamut of defence relations between the two countries. The BJP has released its party manifesto ahead of the Karnataka polls. The party has promised Nandini milk, 5 kg of millets and 3 free cylinder per year to BPL families. The government has decided that all states shall celebrate not only their own statehood day but also statehood days of other states in order to promote Ek Bharat Shreshtha Bharat. Therefore, from now onwards, Raj Bhavans across the nation will commemorate statehood days of all the states. In Lakshadweep, the Science 20 Engagement Group meeting on Universal Holistic Health under India's G20 presidency began at the Bangaram Island this morning.